Hey guys, episode 35 of the crypto portfolio series. Seen a bit of a recovery this week, back above 300k. Nothing sort of particularly heavy news week this week, but I did see the Chicago Board Options Exchange applying to list VanEck's Bitcoin ETF. So potentially another step closer to a US ETF. I think they've got to approve this eventually. I think Canada have already got two, as I sort of noted last week, and we got the sort of German one as well. I don't see why the US would sort of reject this at this stage. It seems a little bit silly, so I expect with the CBOE sort of looking to push that through, that'll probably get listed soon enough. So yeah, pretty good. Just looking at the portfolio this week, so pretty much everything's up, considering last week was sort of a low point. So Bitcoin's up nearly 13%. Not too bad. Ethereum making a little bit more of a push, certainly in the last day or two, 24% up. So looking pretty good, but it's been lagging behind, so sort of the last couple of months really, so it needed that. Cardano's actually down for the week, down 10%, so that had a reasonable pump up sort of over the last month, so was sort of due a correction down. That's fair enough as Ethereum starts sort of doing well again. Litecoin doing pretty well, outperforming Bitcoin slightly, 17%. So pretty happy with that. Stellar is pretty much flat, which is surprising. We'll see how that one goes. Omise Go or OMG Network outperforming sort of pretty much everything, 21%. Not too bad. Basic Attention Token, one of the big sort of flyers this week, ended sort of 39% up on the week, but did have a hell of a spike midweek. Haven't seen too much news on this, just seems to be them sort of expanding their services. You can sort of buy crypto within the Brave browser. But yeah, just sort of onboarding more users and expanding the service. So let me know if you've seen any sort of specific news on this, but just seems to be good for the price. XRP just sort of seen a similar move to Bitcoin really. Again, not seen any particular developments with their lawsuit. Tron done quite nice, 15%. Still seems quiet with them. Power Ledger up 10%, although had a very, very strange spike sort of during midweek, and has sort of dropped back down. Not sure whether that's just a bug on the app, but it's showing sort of a drop down to 19p. Does seem a very sort of difficult one to track. They often don't put the percentage under the price, as you can see with most of the others, because it's outside the top 100, so a little bit more difficult to get info on. EOS pretty flat for the week. Still quiet with them. Not a lot of development, similar to Tron really. Dash not done too bad, but pretty much flat for the week. Just started to go up in the last day, but yeah, not doing all that well. And of course, Dogecoin not really doing too much. Still wondering whether to just take the profit here, to be honest. But yeah, we'll see if Reddit wants to do anything more with it. But yeah, that's the portfolio for the week. Just a quick update. Hopefully this is sort of, we've seen the bottom now and can start to sort of push on, even if it is slowly. I'd be quite happy with just sort of a slow run up, to be honest, rather than the sort of huge spikes and drops, because it just seems to panic everyone. So see where we go. So drop a comment in down below, and leave a like, as always appreciated. Subscribe if you want to see more. See you soon.